Pag bumili ka ng bagong Predator laptop, tulad nitong hawak ko ngayon, ang Predator Helios 300 gaming laptop, pwede kang makakuha ng exclusive freebies. Hey guys, this is Bam of Tech, and in this video, I will unbox itong Predator Helios 300 gaming laptop. But before I start, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Just hit the subscribe button down below of this video. Also, you can visit my website at www.adobotech.net for the latest tech news and reviews. Okay, so first freebies na kasama nitong Predator Helios 300 gaming laptop ay itong Predator gaming mousepad. Now, that's a really huge gaming mousepad. Okay, so sa likod, may nakasulat na meron siyang 16.8 million customizable color options. At meron siyang 2-button RGB lightning control at low-friction micro-textured surface. Ang size niya, it's 355 by 256 millimeter. Astig. That's a nice gaming mousepad. Okay, next. Meron siyang kasamang Predator Seltus 500 gaming mouse. Nice. Oh, look. Meron pa siyang interchangeable side panels. This is a nice looking gaming mouse. Ito naman yung Predator gaming headset. So it's the Predator Galea 300 gaming headset. Now this looks really cool. True Harmony technology. Okay, so 40mm driver unit. So cross-platform. So pwede mo siyang gamitin sa any PC. At retractable microphone. Nice. Alright. Okay, so di ba? That's a lot of freebies by just buying the Predator Helios 300. At hindi lang yon. Meron pa siyang kasamang gaming chair. Itong gamit ko ngayon, inassemble ko na siya. Ito ay limited edition Predator League 2020 gaming chair. This completes your gaming setup by just purchasing a Predator gaming laptop. Nice, di ba? Kompleto na. Okay, time for the main event. Time to unbox itong Predator Helios 300 gaming laptop. So medyo malaki yung box for a 15-inch laptop. Okay, so here we go. And this one. Okay, so first, open ko muna yung laman nitong box na to. So, ito yung power cable at yung power brick. That's a very huge laptop power brick. And then yung connector. So, this is nice. Medyo yung neck part ng charger niya is makapal. So, pag nabebend siya, protected yung head area. So itong Predator Helios 300 comes in this protective inner box. So it looks nice. So meron siyang Predator logo. Okay. So it's sealed. Here we go. Cool. So inside, okay, so meron pa siyang protective cloth. Nice. Okay, so let's check. Here we go. Okay, initial impression while holding this laptop, it looks thinner. Feeling ko medyo mas slim ito compared on other gaming laptop. So yung build quality niya maganda. And it weighs 2.2 kilo. So for a gaming laptop, I guess that's a reasonable weight. Okay, on top, so you have yung Predator logo with blue accent. Okay, so that looks nice. Yung surface niya, it looks like matte finish. It's going to be fingerprint magnet. So ang kailangan lang is punasan lang siya palagi to keep it clean. So overall look nitong Helios 300, this is a nice looking gaming laptop. Okay, so now time to check the available ports on this gaming laptop. Yung power port is located at the center dito sa likod. Medyo unusual siya kasi normally in laptop andito siya sa may part na gilid ng laptop. So disadvantage, medyo mahirap lang siya tanggalin since need mo pa ibaba yung lid para matanggal siya. Okay. Itong Helios 300, meron siyang 59-watt lithium-ion battery, which is good for up to 6 hours. Meron din siyang exhaust dito sa likod with another, so meron ding blue accent yung exhaust. Nice. Dito sa right side, meron siya uling exhaust. Display port, HDMI port, Type A USB 3.1 port at Type C port. Isa more advanced accessories and it can be used for faster data transfer at pwede ring gamitin to charge other gadgets at 15 watts. Nice. Okay, now going to the left side, you have the security lock, another exhaust. That's a 10 gigabit LAN port, two Type A USB port, and this one is for the headset or the headphone jack. So ang wala lang itong Helios 300 ay card reader. So mas okay sana kung meron siyang kasama to complete yung accessory ports. Okay, so at the bottom, so you have yung usual rubber fit to keep it in place. So right here, this one, and right there. Okay, so opening the laptop, you will be presented with this. It's a must-read note. So your notebook tablet is plugged in into AC power outlet to activate the battery before you turn it on for the first time. The first time startup and setup for your operating system may take up to 30 minutes. Please be patient during this process to ensure that your notebook tablet functions normally. Do not power off your notebook tablet using the startup setup process. Okay, so I guess you need to use yung AC power supply before switching on itong Helios 300. Itong Predator Helios gaming laptop, meron siyang 15.6 IPS LCD Full HD display at merong support up to 144 Hz. Hindi lang yan. Meron din siyang 300 nits of brightness. Okay. So now na-plug ko na siya sa power outlet. Time to power on itong Predator Helios 300. Okay, so I'll just switch it on. Itong Predator Helios 300 is powered by 10th generation 2.60 Intel Core i7 processor. Meron din siyang 6 GB of GDDR6 VRAM na NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060. Sa RAM naman, it comes with the default 8 GB of DDR4 RAM at upgradable siya up to 32 GB of DDR4 RAM. Meron siyang dalawang slot, so you could use dalawang 16 GB capacity of DDR4 RAM. In terms naman ng storage, meron siyang 1 GB of hard drive at 512 NVMe M.2 SSD na expandable up to 1 terabyte SSD. Bali, meron siyang dalawang slot, so you could use, or you can add another 512 to complete yung 1 terabyte storage capacity niya. In terms of audio, meron siyang dalawang Dolby Stereo HD audio speakers. Sa Wi-Fi naman, it uses Killer Wi-Fi 6 AX1650 at meron din siyang Bluetooth 5.0. In terms of technical specs, so running na siya ng Intel i7 10th Gen, which is powerful. Ang kailangan mo lang upgrade is yung RAM. If you could buy at kung makakabili ka ng dalawang 16 GB ng SD RAM, DDR4 syempre, to complete the 32 GB capacity, it will make a lot of difference in terms of gaming, in terms of playing games, at when in terms of you want to use this as a tool for video editing. So storage, a 512 and 1 terabyte combination, I think that's already good enough. But if you want to maximize it, it's capable naman yung SSD card niya. Pwede ka mag-add ng another 512 na M.2 NVMe SSD to make it to fully utilize yung capacity ng storage. So overall, itong Predator Helios 300, it's a good gaming laptop. Okay, so that's it for now. I will do another video for the full review. So I'm planning to test this laptop on playing games and video editing to test its capabilities. So stay tuned for the full review. Again, this is Bam of Adobo Tech, and thank you for watching. Now back to work.